Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Court convicts all 4 accused in Mandar Sulakar murder case. Arguments on quantum of punishment on Tuesday. Father demands capital punishment. State BJP demands resignation of Goa Governor B.V. Vanchu. Governor acted as Congress agent, alleges Vinay Tendulkar. Animal Rescue Squad and police raid at Khareband and Gandhi Market. Seize 87 boxes full of cow meat. Rescues cows, bulls and calves. Union budget session to start from July 7. Railway budget to be tabled on 8th. General budget on 10th July. And Portugal survived USA scare with the last gasp 2-2 draw. Belgium beat Russia to enter FIFA World Cup pre-quarters. Algeria trounced Korea Republic. Now the news in detail. Mandar Sulakar murder case is finally heading for justice. Children's Court has convicted all 4 accused in Mandar Sulakar murder case for kidnapping and murdering the deceased and destroying evidence. Court will decide on quantum of punishment for the accused on Tuesday morning. Meanwhile, Deepak Sulakar, father of the victim, has demanded capital punishment for all the accused.
An incident of brutal murder of a minor friend by his colleagues had shocked the state 8 years back. Kidnap and murder of Mandar Sulakar. Justice is being delivered now. Children's Court at Panji on Monday has convicted Jovito Ryan, Rohan Dungat, Nafia Sheikh and Shankar Tiwari for murdering Mandar Sulakar. The court has also held them guilty for hatching a conspiracy, kidnapping and killing the deceased and thereafter destroying the evidence.
The accused has been convicted for the offences under 364A, that is kidnapping for ransom, 302, that is murder, 120B, that is conspiracy, and 201, that is destroying the evidence. And the matter is fixed tomorrow for point of sentence. We had a full faith in judiciary.
On 15th August 2006, accused Jovito Ryan, Rohan Dungat, Nafia Sheikh and Shankar Tiwari along with one Al Saleha Beg kidnapped Mandar Sulakar from Miramar. They demanded ransom of 50 lakhs from the father of the victim, but later they killed Mandar. During the trial, Al Saleha Beg turned approver and helped police and prosecution.
I especially thank all the witnesses who helped to deliver justice, and they have deposed in this matter bravely in spite of all these odds. I thank all of them. I also express my sympathies to the family of the victims Mandar Sulakar.
The court on Tuesday will hear arguments on quantum of punishment. Deepak Sulakar, father of victim, has demanded capital punishment for all the accused.
आम्ही खूप त्रासान काढले, आमच्या त्रासान काढले. फाशी तरी जाऊकच जाय, फाशी. सगळ्यांक चाराकूय फाशी जाऊं जाय.
With reporter Mukesh Kumar, video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
BJP has demanded that Goa Governor Bharat Veer Vanchu should resign immediately. BJP State President Vinay Tendulkar's demand comes following Governor's link and CBI probe in the Augusta Westland VVIP chopper deal decision. BJP unit has warned to petition the Modi government if Vanchu fails to resign. Sources say that Vanchu may resign at any moment.
केंद्रा भितर 2004 सालाक काँग्रेस पक्षाचे सरकार आयलें UPAचें त्या वेळाचेर ताबडतोब तेंच्यांनी त्या वेळाचे आमचे गोंयचे राज्यपाल किंवा UPचे गव्हर्नर आसूं हेंकां तेंच्यांनी जबरदस्तीन राजिनामो अपमानकारक वागणूक दिल्ली आनी जबरदस्तीन तेंच्यांनी तेंचो राजिनामो मागून घेतलेलो आनी तेच हें करून खरें म्हणजे ते काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या सरकारान तेंकां अपॉयंट केले त्या वेळाचेर म्हणून आमची मागणी आसा की तेंच्यांनी ताबडतोब ह्या पदाचो राजिनामो दिवन तेंच्यांनी परत वचचें.
BJP State President Vinay Tendulkar's demand comes following governance link and CBI probe in the Augusta Westland VVIP chopper deal decision.
अगुस्ता हेलिकॉप्टरा खरेदी भितर तेन्नाचे ते SPGचे प्रमुख आशिल्ले आनी ह्या तुल्ल्यान एक तेंचेर एक संशय एक निर्माण जाल्लो आसा आनी म्हणून आमची मागणी आसा की तेंच्यांनी स्वता जावन गव्हर्नर पदाचो राजीनामो दिवचो ना जाल्यार पार्टी म्हणून आमी आमच्या देशाचे राष्ट्रपती त्याच बरोबर प्रायम मिनिस्टर आनी होम मिनिस्टराक फाल्यां आमी तांकां लेटर धाडपाचे आसात की तेंच्यांनी जर राजीनामो दिलो ना जाल्यार तांकां राज्यपाल पदांतल्यान मुक्त करचो म्हणून.
State BJP claims that issues of special status to Goa and the dual citizenship are being considered by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
मी सांगलेल्या प्रेसाक सांगुना तरी कार्यकर्ते म्हणून आसा आमी आमकां सांगलेलें आसा की विकासाच्या बद्दल आसूं किंवा स्पेशल स्टेटस मायनिंग बेगीन चालू करपा खातीर आसूं ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी आहा त्यो बेगिनात बेगीन जातल्यो.
Sir, that letter which has been given and which is being used by Churchill has been given by one under secretary in the Home Ministry. So this issue will be taken by members of Parliament, and Mr. Savarkar recently has made it very clear that he will take up this issue with the Union Home Ministry. Very easy, you have a circular and said, okay, either you put a cut-off date saying, okay, all those who have transcribed the name and at this particular date, yes, in future you should not, or accept transcribing your name in Portugal, it does not amount to losing Indian citizenship.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Freedom fighter Gurunath Kelekar says first ban the conventions by Hindu right wings and then move for ban on Sri Ram Sena chief Pramod Mutalik's Goa entry. MP and Union Minister for State Sripad Naik has cleared that Pramod Mutalik has no place in Goa and government is firm on its stand. MLA Vishnu Vag also backed the stand.
Mega Hindu convention is underway at Ramnathi. Sri Ram Sena chief Pramod Mutalik is expected to attend this gathering. The news has created a furor throughout the state. There is a strong resentment over Mutalik's probable entry in Goa by noted Goans. Freedom fighter Gurunath Kelekar says, first ban the Hindu conventions which invites people like Mutalik.
conference 7 दिसांची conference. जे conference constitution काढून उडया म्हणतात. आणि सेक्युलरिझम हो शब्द जो आसा तोय काढून उडया म्हणटात आनी ते हिंदू राष्ट्र करून सोदतात. हेजे वांगडा कॉन्फरन्साक आमी मान्यता दितात कितें जालें इतले लोक आयले ते सगळे मुतालिकाच्या चुरतीचे लोक सगळे पूण सगळ्यांचे एटेन्शन मुतालिकाचेरच कित्याक खरें एटेन्शन टोटल जे कॉन्फरन्स जाला ताजे विरुद्ध जावपा जाय अशें म्हजें म्हणणें.
Union Minister for State Sripad Naik says Goa government is firm on its stand against Mutalik's entry.
सरकारान आपली भूमिका मांडल्या गोंय सरकारान कारण असले गोष्टी गोंयांक हे दिवचे न्ही अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी म्हणलां.
MLA Vishnu Vag also demanded ban on Mutalik as his speeches might disturb social harmony.
म्हाका दिसता की हांगा हिंदू आनी क्रिश्चन ह्या दोन समाजा मदीं जर तेड जावपाक जायना जाल्यार प्रमोद मुतालिका सारक्याचें हांगासर येवप हें खरें म्हणजे बरोबर न्ही. आमकां मुख्यमंत्र्यान विधानसभेत एश्युरन्स दिल्लें की मुतालिकाक तो गोंयांत येवपाक दिवचो ना आनी श्रीराम सेनेची स्थापना गोंयांत दिवचो ना. म्हजो मुख्यमंत्र्याचेर विश्वास आसा की ते सांगल्या त्या प्रमाणे ते कृती करतले.
Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Animal Rescue Squad and Goa Police raided Margaon Market on Sunday night and seized 87 boxes of cow meat. Police raid at Khareband and Gandhi Market also rescued 5 to 6 cows, bulls and calves. Police have also seized sharp materials used for slaughtering the cows. But police could not nab any of the culprits. Looks like they were already alerted about a probable raid. Amrut Singh of Animal Rescue Squad spoke to media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.